Firstly, I'm gonna tell you a little bit story about the way I come up with Father Care airline or something like that. So I think that was 18 months. I had my son so I had a postpartum illness, so I was like, oh, well, my hair is coming out, everything is coming out, so I was like, oh, let me decide to have a big shop. So I had to cut my hair off every day. So I was like, oh, what are the things I'm gonna be using? So I decided on using this oil first. I decided to make this oil. I started using it on my hair, my edges. So first, so I decided making the oil, start using it. I use different oil, I use different herbs. I use probably like 15 to 18 oils and herbs. So after that, I started to change this. Probably in 2 months, I started to change it. So when I had my baby, so my hair was now back to normal. So then after some months, I saw my son's hair, everything was coming out as well. So I was like, oh, can I decide to use it on him or not? So I started testing it out on him. So and I still changed it. So one of my clients, 2 or 3 clients said, oh, Fade, what are you using on your hair? I was like, oh, I make them myself. I make the oil, everything myself. So they were like, oh, I have to try it so they can see if it really works, so I can launch it. So I give it to so many of my customers, 1 or 2 or 3 customers. So they said, oh, okay, Fade, everything is fine. My edges is growing, everything is good. Can you launch this product? I was like, oh, okay. If you want me to launch it, I'm not gonna be launching just one product. I'll have to make hair bottles because I use so many things on my hair. So I decided to use this hair bottle. It's mixed with shea butter, mango butter, different type of butter, then oil and herbs. It's infused with herbs. So I started using it as well. I use it as moisturizer, then I use this oil as seal oil. So after washing my hair with the shampoo, I use this African black soap shampoo. After using this, then I go ahead with this conditioner, coconut hair conditioner. So after using this, normally I always use it as deep conditioner. After using it with deep conditioner, I use my 8 cap. I use 8 caps. After then, I use this. Trust me. I've given it to different customers of mine. I've given it to them and they've tested it. They were like, oh, Fade, is working. Even they use this butter on their skin. It's very advisable to use it on your skin. But at least try, probably somewhere in your wrist or something, before trying it all over to your body. So after using this, you can now move to the seal oil, because everything you're gonna be doing is this. The magic is this, trust me. After using the butter, you have to use this seal oil. Then, oh, my client was like, oh, Fade, what can I use on my edges? I've never seen a good edge control, all those things. So I decided to launch this edge control. It's very good, trust me. You can check my page. I've used it on my client's hair. I tried different edge control. I never see the one that works for all my clients. So I was like, oh, I can't launch something that is going to be working for only one hair texture. So I was like, oh, I have to get edge control that is going to work for all hair types. So it works for hair type, it works for 3A, 4B, every hair texture. Everything works for them. So if you guys feel like, oh, Fade, I've not seen edge control that works for me, trust me, this is it. You can always try this edge control, guys. Then the really magic is this brush. The first time I used this brush, we're like, oh, is this gonna really work for me? I was like, is it gonna work for me? I was like, oh, let me give it a try. I use comb, I use different brushes, but this really works for me, and it doesn't make my hair, you know, I don't know how to say it, my hair doesn't fall out much, even though when I detangle my hair, it's only a little bit of hair or something like that. I don't even know really how to explain it, but this brush is very good, trust me, it's very good. I really use it and it works for me, because there's different brushes outside there. There's different brushes. I've tried so many brushes and combs, but this really works for me for my hair texture because I have thick hair. Trust me, I have thick hair, I have a fussy hair. So if you're looking for the brush that is going to detangle your hair, I think this is going to be best for you guys. So you can try these brushes. So it comes in 4 colors. I only have 4 colors. It comes in green, it comes in purple, and it comes in pink and blue. Then I have an edges brush. Then my clients know me very well. Is either I use this for my parting or I use the traditional hair comb that we normally use for parting. So this is very good for beginners, all those things. Is very good for your hair. Then it's easy for you to style. Probably if you want to put something like this, I just use it on my edges as well. Then I have so many colors for hair bonnets, but these are the 3 colors I put right here now. So I have different colors. It's 2 sides. I have different colors, and I have this color right here. So if you check the website, you're gonna see like 18 colors right there. So you can always pick any colors you want, and it's very good. I use this on my hair before I go to bed because every lady out there, they need slick bonnets, satin bonnet. So I always use this for my hair, and I use this for my son's hair as well. I got the small one for my son. So probably I'm gonna be launching the small one for the kids as well very soon, but I'm not really sure. I'm gonna be launching it because I use that one for my son as well because he always goes to bed with it. I can't let him go to bed without his hair bonnet. Don't go to bed without your hair bonnet. So thank you guys for joining me today. And my website is live already. So you guys, please support your girl the way you've been supporting me from scratch. You guys should support me. I'm here today because of you guys. Without you guys, where am I? Nowhere. Trust me. You guys really supported me all the way because my client were like, oh, Fade, you have to launch this. Fade, you have to launch this. Fade, you have to launch this. And I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna give it a try. They are all natural products. Trust me. No chemical, no alcohol, nothing inside. They are all natural. They are infused with herbs and oil. Just natural products. And they are. You can use it for your kids. You can use it for yourself. My advice, if you are using the conditioner, my advice for you guys is deep conditioner. Just use it. You can either put your what is it called? Your heat cap, or you use like a shower cap for 20 minutes or so. So you can use it for your kids, you can use it for your babies, your kids, you can use it for yourself. Trust me, they are all natural. I've tried it on so many of my clients' head. I've tried it on my son's head, even though I've tried the oil on my husband's head. Trust me, because I make sure I tested it. I tested everything. Then I give it to so many of my customers just to testify to it. I'm gonna be putting their reviews on my stories before when I finish the live video, so you guys can go through the comments and the reviews, so you guys can see. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Then I'm gonna be dropping